In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch pay bills in Xero. This is a great way to streamline your financial management, especially if you have multiple invoices to take care of at once. So, let's dive right into the process and make it as simple and efficient as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to the Purchases section. You can find this option easily in the top bar of your Xero dashboard. Click on it, and this will take you to a list of your recent expenses and invoices. From here, what we're focusing on is the Bills section. You'll want to select Bills, which allows us to see all the details regarding outstanding payments. Next, look for the Awaiting Payment tab. This is a crucial step because it filters out all the bills that still need to be settled. It allows us to focus on those specific invoices that require your attention. By clicking on this tab, you're ensuring that you're only working with bills that are pending and not yet paid. Once you're in the Awaiting Payment section, you'll notice checkboxes next to each bill. This is where you can select the invoices you wish to include in your batch payment. It's like putting together a shopping list, except in this case, you're choosing which bills are ready to be paid. Simply check the boxes next to each bill that you want to pay in the current batch. Be sure to review the amounts and due dates to ensure accuracy. After you've selected all the bills you want to pay, you'll see the Make Payment button. Click on it to proceed to the next stage of the transaction. This will bring up a few different payment options, but what we're interested in is the Batch Payment option. Select this to group your selected bills into a single payment transaction. This is a time saver that helps you handle multiple payments in one go. Now, let's enter the details of the batch payment. This step involves filling in necessary information like your payment date, the bank account you're paying from, and any references which might help you track these transactions later. It's always a good idea to double-check these details to avoid any mistakes. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, go ahead and click Make Payment. Congratulations! With that click, you've successfully batch paid your bills in Xero, and that's all it takes. Batch payments are now complete, simplifying your payment process and saving you valuable time. This method not only helps with efficiency, but also with managing cash flow in a systematic way. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks on managing your finances effectively with Xero.